how to use the Government ID Check app. Here's what you want to do. Once you have the app installed, it's going to look like this, and it's going to tell us that it's a secure way to confirm your identity when you sign into a government service with government.uk one login. If we click on continue, it's then going to ask us to sign into our Government UK account. So click on continue and it's going to look like this. You will need to link the application itself to your account, and that is going to allow you to use it. This creates a connection between the app and the government.uk website, so we know the same person is using it. So if you click on link app to continue, it is going to ask us some questions such as, did you start on a computer or tablet? I'm going to say I started on this phone, and it's going to show us what we need to do. So you will need to go to your web browser, which has download.government.uk ID Check app. The page open, you will then click on link Government ID Check and then tap link government.uk check button. So we're going to click on how to link here. It's going to tell us or take us to this website, and we can read through the information. If we go back and go all the way back and click on continue, again it's going to use the website, so we can click on link to continue, and again it's gonna show us this. And if we want to connect the app itself, we can use a QR code. So if we click on allow here, it's gonna use our camera to scan the QR code which we got from the government.uk website, and once linked, this is going to allow you access to all of the government.uk ID apps features. So I hope this explains it. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.